Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders, and myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet scanner, which works for a stock option and weekly update on this sheet that we find out for a next week trade opportunities. And today we find some stocks on weekly sheet and also the temporary sheet. And one more good news, maybe in next week or next expiry, we will be getting an intraday opportunity too. One more sheet which is going to be added and it based on intraday. So we will be trying to get some update from the sheet itself. Maybe soon. So once the update will came, so I will let you know how to do it. Okay. So this is what a update where I'm just updating the stocks list for next week. So this list is for 21st August to 25th August, and also we are using a monthly chart from 1st of August to maybe 31st of August. That is what a full expiry, but we are not going to hold it more than 25th. Okay, so because on the last week of expiry only 4 days, and also physical delivery, and it will require higher margin. Okay, so whatever the positional, but this month we are not getting many stocks because last month we get more than 35 stocks, which triggers our target in call side, and put side we have a spy 10 stocks that happened. But this month we are not getting many stocks, but even we get a normal nominal stocks like put side almost 12 13 stocks, and call side around 6 to 7 stocks. That's good enough for our positional trading. So the positional trading, which I just simply use our hedging strategies and along with the naked. So these are all the stocks which we find out the sale in a real time that achieved our target, and Siemens and Apollo Tire and SBIN. So these are all the opportunity, and even Kodak Bank, National Aluminum, which we are looking. But these are all not triggering our target. Maybe it reaching to the target and return back, and HDFC Bank also almost 30%, which increased. And maybe if you are trying for a positional trade, if you are holding for a positional, you can wait up to next Friday and 25th August. That should be the better. And after that, if you are holding, so we need to pay a higher margin and lot of liquidity issue also be there. So you just plan your trade if you are holding. Okay, so weekly trade we will try for a weekly 3 4 entries in a quality and liquid stock based on our weekly scanner. So last week we find out some opportunity that works well, and this week so we have updated the sheet. And one more thing, some of the stocks may not be liquid at this moment. Okay, so India's means India Bull Housing Finance and Granules, these are all the not a liquid one. So that's the reason it will be showing you 116. But and next Monday, if market open, the stocks will be not available in the top. Okay, so it is about a EOD update which we are updated as per the last trade price and as per our entry price based on our advanced option strategy, along with the strike price which you have selected. But using the sheet, you need to understand one thing. So we are not going to filter out only few stocks. We are filtering all the F&O stocks. Maybe some stocks may be liquid and some of them are not liquid. So we adding all the stocks and we are scanning that from our list, and that is on our Google sheet. This is for a weekly positional. So how to use the weekly positional? At least we need to plan for a holding up to maximum of 5 days. Okay, or 5 days, or even if the same stock which is positionally in buy, so we can continue for next week also. But normally this plan for this weekly sheet, we are going to take that weekly sheet is simply for to take a positional for a maximum of 5 days holding. So Monday to Friday, we are looking for this opportunity, and this would be on 21st to 25th opportunity and weekly sheet. So after getting this weekly sheet, and we have to find out a breakout. So that is what that breakout is about, nothing but. So here we can see that is what our entry point. If it is the stock which is 100, so we are going to take an entry. Okay. So after that entry, that should be the fresh breakout. What is mean by the fresh breakout? So after 9:30, if it is breaks, that should be better. So you may seen last week looping, and it was in first 15 minutes it triggers our entry around 50 something, 55, right? But and next day it went to 15. So those who are watched on the live session, we are tracking that. But that is the reason to avoid the stock which triggers our entry point before 9:30, simply avoid. After 9:30, if you can go, and if the same stock which returned back and if it is came down and it reversed back, means we can try for a reversal trade opportunity, maybe using a something like indicators or techniques. We can use for a reversal opportunity on those stocks. But normally the fresh breakout after 9:30, and that should be triggered in the first time. Okay, so that is what very important. That is called a fresh breakout. First time it should be break that our breakout level. That stock we called it as a fresh breakout. And same like that, we can take for this temporary sheet. This is what a study purpose I am looking for this one. Maybe these are all the stocks not liquid at this moment. But what is the drawback of this sheet? Most of the stock which triggers our entry point earlier before 9:30, maybe 10 to 15 or 20 also 20, 20, 30 stocks which triggers which our entry point. But this is also by weekly positional. Okay. So, but what is the difference between that weekly positional and the temporary? Temporary should be earlier entry. Okay. So you can see India Bull Housing Finance, the entry point both should be the same, not the same. Here you can see our entry point should be around 17, and here in this temporary sheet we can see 14. So that is what the difference for. And the strike price 157. Yeah, here is about 13.5. Here is about 20.5. So if you got it, India will 14.5. There is a difference in the price. Okay, that is what. And earlier we can find out, mostly we find out earlier entries. And this sheet we can use for weekly positional basis only, not for an intraday. Okay. And we may be planning to launch that intraday sheet, the same kind of thing, daily strike price and a daily opportunity finder. Like we can try to planning maybe in this weekend or next week, that will be launched on the same sheet along with intraday positional like that, intraday trading like that. So this is what a scanner which we have updated for next week. So next week is nearing to that expiry week. So weekly positional and monthly positional, you can if you're holding, so maximum hold at up to Friday, and weekly trade, so we may be following for a Monday and Tuesday for a positional trades, and that also you can maximum hold up to 25th of this month, and the last week, and that should be the expiry week, maybe premium is low and margin is high, so simply avoid the last week, and then we can go for our next month contract also. Okay, so this is what an update. So maybe intraday will be soon on the sheet, and weekly positional we got a update, and monthly positional still it's updating, and based on our advanced option strategy concept in a call side almost more than 50%, we got almost 7 8 stocks in a call side, and 7 to 8 in put side we got almost 12 stocks up to this month. 20 stocks which achieved our target. Some of the stocks were 2% 3%, like that, and some stock like Cipla which triggers our entry and initially moved higher and then now it is trading. So if you are continuously tracking this, you will be getting the opportunity. In this case, some of the stocks may be gap up and gap down. At least 10 15 stocks for a month, it's good enough by using the scanner. And I just updating the sheet for next week. I hope you understood how to use it also. And if you want to use want to know how to use it about the Google Sheet, the link, website link which is available in the description, you can go to the website tradewithas.in, the website link which I provided already in the description, and then you can go to the courses and you can find out how to use the Google Sheet scanner. It is about a tutorial how to use it. It's a cost around 97 rupees, but my Google Sheet cost is around 1200 per month. If you were interested, you can first buy the sheet, then sorry, first buy this course and to know how to use it first of all. Okay, once you know how to use it, if it's possible to use your own strategies, or if you are attend my classes, you know well about advanced option strategy, that you can also use our advanced option strategy. That is not an issue. Okay, but after knowing that, if you want to get this, and just simply WhatsApp me and to get this thing, and this 100 rupees will I debit from discount. That means I will less from the first month fees. So after this course, if you get the first month around 1100 and the second month onwards 1200, you have to pay for the sheet. If you're really interested, you just ping me on the WhatsApp number which shown in this video here. So this is what my WhatsApp number. You can directly ping me a message on this WhatsApp number to get more detail. and also the course detail also if you wish, and you can get my advanced option strategy course, and you will be getting the full details of the course on this WhatsApp number. For any doubts and questions also, you can just ping me in the comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching here.